All right, let's take a quick look at 3J. Okay, I have the factoring review here. I see this common binomial here, this 5x minus 9, so I'm gonna replace that, okay, in this expression with a. Let a equal 5x minus 9, so that this becomes 6a squared minus 7a minus 3. So that all I'm looking at is the quadratic form of it, okay, the quadratic structure of it here. And now to factor this, I multiply that first term by that last term, and I'm looking for now two terms whose product is negative 18a squared and whose sum is negative 7a. Okay, so the product is negative, their sum is negative, so we're going to have one positive, one negative, and the large one's going to be negative. So negative 9a and 2a. Those got to be the numbers I'm looking for, the values I'm looking for. So I write out my binomials. And I remember that these two here aren't necessarily factors or parts of the factors. They are the outer and the inner products. Negative 9a and 2a. The first two terms have to have a product of 6a squared. And then the outside products have to have, outside terms have to have a product of negative 9a. So this first one here has to have a factor, has to be a factor of 6a squared and negative 9a. Now don't worry about that negative, we'll put the negative over here. Okay, don't worry about that negative up front here, we'll put that back there. So this has got to be 3a, that's the largest factor of both 6 and 9. And if this is 3a, that means this term over here has to be 2a, so that their product is 6a squared. And if this is 3a, over here, this would have to be negative 3 at the back here to make sure that those two have a product of negative 9a. The inside two have to have a product of 2a, and there's the 2a, so this one here is just going to be plus 1. And then I will erase the little help that I gave myself. And now I'll replace in my expression the a with 5x minus 9. So 3 times 5x minus 9 plus 1. 2 times 5x minus 9 minus 3. Okay, I'm kind of running into my other work there, but that's okay. I know what I'm doing. So in this first term right here, let's expand that out here. So 3 times 5 is going to get you 15x. Now 3 times 9 is going to give you negative 27 plus 1. It's going to get us negative 26. Now just take a quick look at this. Is there anything common between those two? Okay, nope. So let's move on. This next one is going to become 2 times 5x is going to be 10x. Then you're going to get 2 times negative 9 is going to be negative 18 minus 3. Now this is, it's not multiplied by negative 3. That's subtracting 3 inside that binomial. So that's going to be negative 18 minus 3, and that's going to end up being negative 21. And is there anything common between the 10 and the negative 21? The answer is no. So that is the final factored form.